This lockdown has messed up with many people's life, and many people have lost their jobs, and many are struggling with their livelihood. But guess what? Even during this lockdown, a team from Chennai has built a platform where you could come up with an idea and go with a startup. You heard it right. So, if you're feeling miserable during this lockdown that you're not able to do anything, then you should definitely participate in this event and turn your ideas into a startup. You just have to come up with an idea, and with your team, you could participate in this. And at the end, startup is yours. So, if you want to know more about it, stay tuned. We'll talk about it in this video. So, a platform that I'm talking about is called Stackathon. To tell it about in brief, it's a startup hackathon. So during this hackathon, they will ask you to build stuffs that is required for any startup to grow. Let it be their pitch, let it be the revenue model, let it be the presentation. So from 0 to 1, whatever a startup needs, they will ask you to build it and create a competition like environment so that you build the best than the others. Apart from this, they'll give you personal mentors, they will have judges, and finally after all the evaluations, they will give prizes as well. So I guess you got a brief idea on how this works. Now let's see where this hackathon is taking place. Let's see the website, their Instagram, and let's check them out. So people usually say that a company is known by the website. If the website is great, the company must be really great. So let's check out their website first. So this is a website that I was talking about. So the name is Stackathon. As I already said, it's a startup hackathon, and the website looks really great. And I would like to say that the Startup 1.2, that is the first event, has already been taken place. The second event took place just recently, and the third event is gonna come soon. So they are giving, so these are the things that they are providing, and these are the things that is very important if you are new in the startup environment. So they are giving you webinars, workshop, fun activities, and then we have rewards. The first prize is 5,000 rupees, which is pretty decent, especially during this lockdown. So we have a second prize, and we have a third prize as well. So the second prize includes $1,000 credits from Amazon Web Services and other stuffs. And we have so many other awards that will be given to the participants. We'll see who are the participants and what they did in this Startup 2.0. So as I said, this Stackathon 2.0 has been completed. So these are the winners, I guess. Yeah. So many people have participated. I guess around 100 people have participated in this virtual hackathon, and they have started their startup. So these are the winners in the Stackathon 2.0. As I said that they will provide mentors. Let's click on this person. So his name is Rajesh Kumar. He's the CEO of Macmic Design Hub. He's a certified Toastmaster, winner of the Toastmaster. Then we have designers. We have so many mentors for you for your startup. Then there are other events that are conducted, the perfect pitch, the pre-event hackathon, the pre-event workshops, and yeah, so this is a poster of this hackathon they are providing. So now let's see where this event actually takes place. So as we say, we are in lockdown. It's definitely not possible that we conduct this hackathon live. So they are conducting this in Discord. So I guess you know about Discord. It's a live server where it's almost like WhatsApp with other benefits. So this is where the event took place. In the voice channel, people will come and pitch their ideas. So different rooms will be given to different teams, and in these rooms, team members can chat and discuss about their idea. So we had around 33 teams in Stackathon 2.0. So it went really great. Many people came up with amazing startup ideas, and we personally saw how this platform Stackathon helped them in shaping their idea and helping them to grow. So that was about how you could turn your ideas into startup, especially during this lockdown. So Stackathon 3.0 is coming soon, and to get notified about it, follow me in the channels that I have mentioned in the description. So that's it from my side. See you in the next video.